To the girls of TikTok, listen up right now. If you're trying to get your hubby to stop snoring throughout the night, when his mouth is open, he's snoring super loud, keeping you up throughout the night, get him some of this sport sleep tape. Honestly, you're gonna thank yourself later in the future. These things are awesome. They come in little strips like this, and where it covers his mouth. Honestly, you're gonna sleep better, he's gonna sleep better, and don't worry, these things are breathable, he's not gonna suffocate. Get them down below while they're still in stock and on sale. Highly recommend it.